She is a wellness entrepreneur, a celebrated face yoga master, revolutionizing the skincare industry with her holistic approach. Please welcome Vibhuti Arora. You have this mission of transforming the beauty industry.
I don't have a battle with Botox or fillers. Today, nobody gives you the full information in terms of the side effects. कोई client आती है with a facial stroke, हाइफू कर लिया तो उससे आधा face paralyze हो गया.
A lot of transformations happening, going under knives and everything, which in return works both the ways.
There was this whole research done in the US जहाँ पे fillers actually migrated and there was puffiness on the face of a certain client 8-9 years later. In fact, here you can also talk about Kylie Jenner or Jennifer Aniston's example or even Lindsay Lohan's example.
Rosacea, pigmentation and aging, इन तीन चीजों में से सबसे एक common चीज
Pigmentation. Every second woman has a pigmentation issue.
How much do you advocate for medical facials?
The minute you go in for a yellow peel or you go in for carbon laser, any of these other lasers, UL therapy, there are researches shown that not only does it make your skin sensitive, but it is also killing your surface microbiome. You will age drastically faster, which is something you do not want.
One ingredient in the kitchen consumed daily can brighten the skin.
Ghee. Eat it, apply it, put
I'm
it on
a
your
ghee
hair.
ambassador. I love ghee. हम खूबसूरती को कैसे देखते हैं? हम जहां कहीं से भी इस खूबसूरती को परखते हैं, लेकिन उसकी अंदर का ग्लो वो हमेशा से हमारी लाइफस्टाइल, हमारा स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, हमारे एवोल्यूशन से आता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट मी एंड माय गेस्ट्स आर हियर टू डिस्कस. वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस, अपनी एक्सपर्टीज और अपनी विजडम को यहाँ मेरे साथ शेयर करते हैं. और बस मैं यही चाहती हूँ कि इसी विजडम के साथ आप सब तक मैं अपने दिल की बात पहुँचा सकूँ और आप भी अपने अंदर की कोई भी खूबसूरती को जगा सके और आप भी कह सके I am forever young. Welcome to my brand new season of किसी ने बताया नहीं. The beauty is inside out. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to a brand new episode of किसी ने बताया नहीं. Beauty is inside out. I would first want to have your personal touch of being so passionate about spreading this beauty all across.
Thank you so much for having me here. वो कहते हैं ना, जब लाइफ आपको लेमन्स देती है, आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस है, लेमनेड बनाओ और आगे बढ़ो या वहीं अटक जाओ. सो that is where my own struggle actually gave birth to what I'm trying to build, and I think वही passion अब सबको दिखता है. जब कुछ साल पहले मेरी शादी हुई थी and मैं दिल्ली शिफ्ट हुई, तब I was hit by an autoimmune skin condition called lupus. And lupus butterfly rash हो जाती है पूरे स्किन पे, बॉडी पे, आपके जॉइंट्स में पेन होती है, आपके सेल्स, आपके सेल्स, आपके हेल्दी सेल्स को अटैक करते हैं, बहुत पेनफुल होता है. मैं काफ़ी सारे डॉक्टर्स के पास गई, अनफॉर्चुनेटली सबके पास वही इम्यूनोसप्रेसेंट्स या वही स्टेरॉइड ऑइंटमेंट्स थी. किसी के पास कोई सल्यूशन नहीं था, या मेरे ट्रिगर्स को प्रोलॉन्ग करने का सल्यूशन भी नहीं था. वो हर महीने, हर हफ्ते बारी बारी स्किन क्रैक करना, ब्लीड करना, जो मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस को इतना, जिस चीज़ ने इतना इफेक्ट किया. एंड women like you and I are very entrepreneurial, we are very confident women, we are educated women. अगर मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतनी बुरी तरीके से हिट हो सकता है, तो मैं वही सोच रही थी कि इंडिया में कितने सारी औरतें हैं जो शायद मुंह से नहीं बोल पाती, जो शायद इतनी वेल अवेयर नहीं है, एक्सेस उनके पास हो ना हो, पर उनको जो चाह है वो नहीं पूरी कर पाती. एंड बस वो ही ख्याल दिमाग में रख के आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी. आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट फेस योगा बाय हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी इन अ वे कि प्रोडक्ट आपको सब बेच रहे हैं, केमिकल बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आपको सब बेच रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट आपको एक्सेसिबल करके और उसको एडुकेट करके कि आपको उसको यूज़ कैसे करना है सही तरीके से, जिससे आपकी स्किन जलेगी नहीं, जिससे आपको कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. दैट इज़ वेयर द मिशन, द विजन, द मोटो. एंड बहुत ही सुंदर है, आज आपने यहाँ पे लाइन रखी है, ब्यूटी इनसाइड आउट, ग्लो इनसाइड आउट ही मेरा मोटो है. बिकॉज ये तो चेहरा एज हो जाएगा, पर जो आँख की चमक है, जो ऑर्गन्स की स्ट्रेंथ है, that is the glow we radiate, and that is how we want to be 80, 90 or a decade.
Absolutely. Vibhuti, thank you so much. Not because आपने अपना एक पर्सनल स्ट्रगल एक इंस्पिरेशन की तरह यूज़ किया, बट ऑल्सो दैट यू हैव नॉट लेट दैट स्ट्रगल overshadow your inspiration. So that is the base for our conversation here today. Recently, I've gotten into face yogas. Pregnancy के बाद चेहरा suddenly, you know, it goes through a sudden aging phase. And you rightly said that, you know, women like us who are in front of camera, who are entrepreneurial, there are so many struggles, or maybe, you know, a lot that we face when it comes to how we look. And it's a challenge, and I'll be honest. If I look a certain way, it makes me happy. If that picture is not matched to the blueprint that I have in my head, it makes me unhappy. So I wanted to seek things like Botox and fillers. But my cosmetologist said कि क्योंकि आप breastfeed कर रहे हैं, आप you can't take fillers, you can't take Botox. So I said, but I want to really have that glow back. मुझे मेरा वो चेहरा वापस चाहिए, and that's where I got introduced thanks to internet to face yoga. और मैंने एक शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग पोर्टल पे जाकर टाइप किया फेस कप्स, एंड उस पर सबसे ज़्यादा हाईली रेटेड वाज हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी. मैंने कहा ये किसका है, मैंने ऑर्डर किया, प्रोडक्ट्स आए, उस पर QR कोड था. QR कोड को जैसे मैंने खोला, एंड वॉला, यू आर देयर ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज.
Wow.
So I believe in synchronicities.
Yes.
I believe in, so when you start seeking something, the universe gives you everyone who is around doing the same thing. It's just that you did not, you know, you didn't pay attention at that point in time.
Yeah.
And trust me, वो दिन था और आज के दिन तक I keep getting your suggestions and I keep following what you do with the face yoga stuff. And I was like, मेरा अगर ये पॉडकास्ट इस सब्जेक्ट पे हम बात करेंगे, विभूति हैज टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ माई पॉडकास्ट.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. It is an absolute personal motivation to have you on the, you know, on the show.
You know, the pleasure is all mine, more than the fact that we are sharing this podcast together. This is what I truly live for, and the brand that I'm building, because now this is a real woman talking about a real problem, a real story, exactly जो मैं कहना चाहती थी कि how I'm building the brand.
Correct.
And you have already gone through it, which
Yes.
is beautiful. And women like us, I think sky is the limit.
Absolutely, absolutely. So thank you so much. You have worked alongside, you know, celebrities like Malaika Arora and Smriti Irani. What have you seen? Like with working, of course, celebrities हैं तो you know their life is accessible to everyone because थोड़ा थोड़ा हम झलकियों में देखते हैं. उनके साथ काम करने के लिए या काम करते समय what was that maybe 2 hindrances या 2 roadblocks ऐसे थे in their beauty journey जो आपको लगा कि यार ये तो बड़ा कॉमन सी चीज़ है जो हर you know everybody faces and it can be achieved instantaneously.
टीवी पे ऐसा लगता है कि ओ ये सेलिब्रिटी है, ये करती होगी, वो करती
Expensive
होगी,
routines होंगे.
एक्सपेंसिव रूटीन्स होंगे, इनके पास 50 घंटे होंगे सिर्फ अपना ख्याल रखने के
Yeah.
लिए, पूरा दिन होगा. टाइम
Absolutely.
time is the biggest lack of it that all of these celebrities do not have, to be honest. अपना ख्याल रखना. हाँ, सब regimented life जीते हैं, सबके पास एक discipline है जिसकी वजह से वो है जहाँ वो है, but time किसी के पास नहीं है. जब वो बिल्कुल हमारे जैसे हैं, you are such a big celebrity yourself.
I'm trying to be one.
बट वो
Okay.
बिल्कुल हमारे जैसे हैं, राइट? वो रात को आके थक के अपने बेड पे जब बैठ जाते हैं, वो कहते हैं बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं लगेगा, 10,000 क्रीमें हैं, कुछ नहीं लगेगा. एंड दैट इज वेयर फेस योगा केम इनटू बीइंग. that is where, you know, एक तेल लगाना, it's easy to use a face oil. If the face oil is rightly mapped, you don't need 10,000 things in your skincare kit. वो एक तेल, मेरी 1 minute विभूति मसाज या L transfer drain करना या कोई tool use करना, and that's it. That simplified routine became like such a value add for everybody. जैसे मैं मलाइका का देखती हूँ आज की डेट में, उसका favorite is our instant filler eye patches. I think every week I see her order on the website for the instant filler patches.
Wonderful.
Which is a quick fix. That means that she doesn't have the time today, and she has to be in front of the camera.
Yeah, correct.
So that is where that is the hindrance. Now उस hindrance को हम breath work से, प्राणायाम से, simplified face yoga routine से या face tool से जो भी आपका connection है उस पे connect करते हैं. And that is how the whole holistic practice or the 360-degree practice comes together.
So you have this mission of transforming the beauty industry through non-invasive and holistic solutions. We are right now witnessing a lot of transformations happening, going under knives and everything, which in return works both the ways. Enhances your confidence or puts you in a very vicious cycle. Then you do not understand कि भाई रुकना कहाँ है. Then you suddenly are a different person, like on a physical aspect. Yeah. I would want to understand that how are you bridging this gap?
I don't have a battle with Botox or fillers.
Okay.
If you have to do it, if you are in the media industry,
if it is required,
it's a personal choice, go all out. My problem is that today nobody gives you the full information in terms of the side effects. So when a normal woman goes in, उसको तो पता ही नहीं है what is right, what is wrong. उसने तो natural अभी try भी नहीं किया. उसने जो alternatives हैं, जो cheaper हैं, affordable हैं, वो तो try नहीं किया. She's just been pushed towards a very commercial, hard sell approach. And that is where my approach is always education first or education first. And आहिस्ता आहिस्ता what's happening is because अब वो लेडीज पे हार्ड पुश हो रहा है, हार्ड सेल हो रहा है, सब लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं. कहीं ना कहीं कोई क्लाइंट आती है विद अ फेशियल स्ट्रोक, हाइफू कर लिया तो उससे आधा फेस पैरालाइज हो गया, या ओवरडन फिलर्स अब वो डिजोल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, डिजोल्व हो नहीं रहे, तो इतनी ज़्यादा पफीनेस आ गई विच पुट्स हर कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन. सो नाउ वी आर ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम वेयर अगर आपने नहीं किया यू कैन ट्राई द नेचुरल ऑप्शंस. अगर आपने कर लिया यू ओवरडन इट एंड समबडी इन द you had the right hands, you didn't have the right hands, because I can't put a tag onto it, because the best of the best have made these mistakes with celebrities where people are noticing on screen today, and we with facial yoga and microcurrenting are trying to now heal them. So the philosophy is educate first. उसके बाद आपको पता है कि ये आपके 10 साल प्राइम है, आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, you want to go all out, please go all out. But if it is just for your confidence, when you can get the same results in a healthy way, I'll counter this question. Do you want to exercise for life and stay fit, or do you want to have a liposuction done temporarily and then it'll come back and you'll keep going to the clinic and do the to and fro? Now,
option 1. Clear.
Perfect. So that's what it is. That's what I'm trying to put on a platter. This option 1 people are not giving. They're only pushing option 2, and that's what we bring.
Since now you have given the options, by the sound of it, option 1 मुझे थोड़ा hard work लगता है. Option 2 easy लगता है. अब आज के भाग दौड़ के ज़माने में with so much of stress, with so much of going on in every individual life, option 2 seems to be accessible and option 2 seems to be easy.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about it?
It is easy. Definitely easy, but it also has, again, a lot of side effects.
Okay.
While option 2 can be done once or twice, it should not be a lifestyle. This option 1 is a lifestyle change. And once you believe in the practice of face yoga, 21 days to 3 months में आपको transformational results मिल जाएंगे. एक बार आपको transformational results मिल गए, आप कभी option 2 की तरफ जाएंगे ही नहीं.
Just for my information, liposuction has to be done every time?
Yeah, if you do liposuction and then you're still not exercising, you're going to put on weight and then you'll go back, right? The fat will come back.
Okay.
It's the same philosophy of fillers. आपका filler 6 से 8 महीने में डिजोल्व हो जाएगा, रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, कहीं और जाके डेसिमेट हो जाएगा जहाँ पे वो लिम्फ नोड्स को क्लॉग कर रहा है, इसीलिए पफीनेस आनी शुरू हो जाती है.
Fillers do clog the lymph nodes?
Yeah, absolutely. Pillow face आज की डेट में there was this whole research done in the US जहाँ पे fillers actually migrated and there was puffiness on the face of a certain client 8-9 years later. In fact, here you can also talk about Kylie Jenner or Jennifer Anderson's example or even Lindsay Lohan's example where इनके before and afters इतने ज़्यादा internet
drastic है.
ड्रास्टिक है एंड सर्कुलेट करे, क्योंकि पोस्ट फिलर्स इनकी इतनी ज़्यादा पफीनेस आ गई है अंडर 30 फॉर काइली, and there's nothing she can do. So she has actually, for the youngsters watching this podcast, she has actually aged aggressively instead of slowly, where face yoga can make you age slowly, right?
So fillers age you faster?
Age you faster, yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, God. What is a pillow face?
Pillow face is basically a face where your fillers have migrated and there is lymphatic stagnation. So your entire face is puffy or swollen, and that puffiness is not leaving the face. We all have puffiness. We all wake up to puffy eyes. Kabhi,
मेरे तो होंठ भी puffy हो जाते हैं पर
that could be an allergic reaction. अगर आपके lips puffy हो रहे हैं तो
सुबह होते हैं, थोड़े से होते हैं, जैसे puffy होते हैं, हल्का सा I have like a greasy shine on the face, and a little swollen तो नहीं कह सकती हूँ, plumped lips. I don't know why. और ये pregnancy के बाद शुरू हुआ है.
Right. So अपना एक तो जो आप खा रहे हो उसको मॉनिटर करो. मैं बहुत फेस योगा में, स्किन केयर में मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ अपना स्किन प्रिक टेस्ट, एंटी एलर्जी टेस्ट ज़रूर करो.
Skin prick test.
Test.
I would want you to throw some light on this also.
So skin prick test basically is a test that they do on your arm, and they will check against multiple allergens of food, of dust, of
allergy
surrounding. It's an allergy test.
Allergy test.
Allergy test.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Okay.
जैसे I had to do my allergy test to find out my lupus's biggest trigger apart from stress is capsicum and bell peppers, Shimla mirch. So I cannot even come close to capsicum, Shimla mirch, lal mirch और jalapenos because सूंघ भी लूँगी तो मेरा lupus trigger हो जाएगा. And आपका जैसे lips अभी शुरू हो रहा है. What happens is you've just given birth, right? So कहीं ना कहीं body में deficiencies है जो हमने अपने बच्चों को दे दी है. The body doesn't have the strength which it did have in the past to overcome certain inflammation causing food items. तो ये आपके signs है. आप immediately जाके अपना allergy test करो.
I'll do that.
You could be, you think, but आपको भिंडी से allergy हो सकती है, for example. हम सोच भी नहीं सकते इतनी बेसिक चीज़ों से हमें एलर्जी हो सकती है जो बारी बारी हमारे गट में इन्फ्लेमेशन कॉज करती है, एंड देन वो स्किन पे दिखती है.
Actually while you are speaking all this, I'm remembering जब ये मेरे हल्के से होंठ सूजते हैं, then I have like slight droopy eyes, और कभी कभी जब मैं उठती हूँ I have nice एकदम ऐसा snatch face. So
pillow face, right? So जब आपको एलर्जी है और आपकी lymphatic stagnation है, there's water, toxic water all over your face, so it's going to pull your face down. Gravity is always acting on it. Then your malar lines, this will start to sag, this will sag, this will sag, and वो water निकल गया, drainage हो गई, because I'm assuming you exercise, you work out, तो आपका back to normalcy आ जाता है. कुछ लोगों का, especially with in the case of regular heavy fillers over and over again, उनका वो फिलर ब्लॉक कर देता है lymph nodes को. अब वो ड्रेनेज नहीं हो पाती ठीक से. In that case, they get a permanent pillow face, which is swelling under the skin.
Okay, Vibhuti, how much do you advocate for medical facials, anything and everything that involves medication on skin, the UV, UAV lights, and how much do you advocate that? And if not, give me 2 easy or maybe 2 hands-on solutions for achieving those results.
So in terms of the medical industry, if you do Profhilo, which is still an injectable but a very safe form, or a safe injectable, just putting hyaluronic acid in the top layer of your skin, I may personally not do it because I like to stay away from all of this. But if someone has to do it, it's absolutely okay.
Okay.
If someone has to do a photofacial, which is a red light, blue light, green light, the LED facials, that's absolutely safe, no problem. The minute you go in for a yellow peel for your pigmentation, you go in for a strong chemical peel for your pigmentation, or you go in for carbon laser, any of these other lasers, UL therapy, there are researches shown that not only does it make your skin sensitive, but it is also damaging your skin barrier. It's killing your surface microbiome. And in UL therapy, there is this research where a doctor and a surgeon in the US has gone and spoken about it, how after the second time it starts to scar the tissue.
Oh.
And again, you will age drastically faster. which is something you do not want. In that case, again, Profilo is good, LED lights are good. I'm also I'm on the good side of progression, or I'm on the good side of injectables where you know it has been tried, tested, it doesn't have side effects, it doesn't do any damage, go all out. Now, this may not be something that everybody can do. Not every housewife, not every working woman has the money, has the luxury to do all of that.
I don't have the luxury to do all that. I'm fine with like 5 minutes of massaging my face. I'm done.
Yeah, so that is where these, and they're healthy at their long term. ये आप जिंदगी भर कर सकते हो, right? At the end of the day. Also, it's not just aesthetic, it's not just massaging your face for 5 minutes, it's mentally stimulating, it is detoxifying. आपको सर दर्द है, आपकी it's a wellness technique.
मेरे shoulders हमेशा ऐसे रहते थे. I'm really enjoying that openness in my shoulder because I love massaging this when I massage my face.
Right.
But yes, it really helps.
It really helps. So if somebody wants to massage their face very quickly at home, ideally, I would ask them to do this quick lymphatic drainage ritual, which is scissoring around the ears like this, then placing or pressing the back of your ear. There's a point here, acupressure point, जहाँ पे हम maximum face का stress store करते हैं. उसको आपने ड्रेन करना है. उसके ड्रेनेज के बाद आपने पूरा नेक स्ट्रेचिंग, बिकॉज यू स्पोक अबाउट दिस, पूरी नेक स्ट्रेचिंग करनी है लेफ्ट एंड राइट, एंड यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डू अप एंड डाउन. व्हेन यू डू डाउन, you push your elbows back so that your scapula overlaps. Yeah, so it's a full clavicle upper body exercise. After that, you start to pinch your eyebrows, you start to pinch your lips. It's called lip kneading. Lip kneading and eyebrow kneading in my book. Yeah, so you do that. You do a temple triangle. 3 temples होते हैं हमारे. एक temple जो main, जब husbands बच्चे सर दर्द देते हैं ना,
वो ये दुखता है,
यही वाला.
Correct. ये सबको पता है.
ये सबको पता है. इसके diagonally ऊपर और कान के बिल्कुल start पे 3 temples है. आप उसको press कीजिए and then उसको wriggle out कीजिए into your scalp or your crown chakra. After that, when you have to massage, take face oil, take your finger pads, smile lines. We love smiling, but we hate the lines.
Yeah, ask me.
So you basically lift across and then you go across your jawline. You lift and you go across and then you go downward wriggling, tightening your neck muscles. All of this ritual will not take you more than 60 seconds. आप ये रिचुअल रोज कर सकते हो. आपका फेस डीप अप हो गया, आपकी चीक्स लिफ्ट हो गई, आपकी आंखें खुल गई, जो ड्रूपीनेस ऑफ द आईब्रोज हो जाती है इवेंचुअली, जो यू नो उसको शेप मिल गई, आपके लिप्स, आपको फिलर्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, आपके लिप्स प्लम्प हो गए. सो दैट बिकम्स अ होलिस्टिक प्रैक्टिस.
Wow. Yoga for me, honestly, was all about asanas and breathing and pranayam. I never knew yoga could be for the face as well. How old is this?
So, the Rig Veda has about 8 traditional face yoga poses. Face yoga is as old as the Rig Veda, but House of Beauty's protocol is 10 years old, a decade old. Because from those 8, I have done the research, done the test groups, recorded the results, and built about 280 exercises, which is my face yoga protocol. That's where the copyright 1 minute Vibhuti massage comes into being. That's where all of these exercises come into being. And this protocol is 10 years old. But the difference in this protocol is it is a combination of facial asana, facial massage, acupressure point press, facial stretching, and cool down pranayam. Not just basic anulom vilom, but if you are exercising a certain part of your face, then उसके साथ exactly आपका कौन सा cool down map होना चाहिए. We map it to the T.
Wow. Where can we find this?
You can find it on my House of Beauty India's website. I've recorded a 21-day challenge कि I realized मैं तो अब सबके साथ one-on-one नहीं कर सकती, so मैंने e-learning बना दिया है. आप लॉग इन करो, रोज एक वीडियो खोलो, लिटरली मैं आपको पर्सनली सिखा रही हूँ. So you can do it there. And then we have a teachers training as well, where all of the face yoga teachers are training online, freelancing. You can become a teacher with us, learn the techniques.
Vibhuti, you are doing a great service. I should let you know, because we need such approach towards beauty, because as I told you, it has with the time, we believe in instant gratification. You know, that sudden lift in the eyebrow, that, you know, sudden plump in the lip is gratifying. But yes, we do not understand the other side of it. We do not understand the side effects of it, because over a period of time, the body has its own intelligence. If any foreign body goes inside, interrupts the whole working of the body, as you said, you know, that how the pillow face happens because of the blockage, and, you know, it goes in the lymph nodes and all. That really scared me. Like, I will go by the face yoga. It's fine. But yes, this
No, but you know,
education.
if you're looking at instant gratification as well, that is exactly where face cups that you already have come into being. Because right before your shoot, for example, you can use the cup, your lip line will get defined for 4 to 5 hours. आपका shoot हो जाएगा,
Wow.
आपके lips will be plump.
Which I did not know this.
Will you have to do it before every shoot? Yes. Will you have to do it 3 times a week? Yes.
Oh.
How much does it cost?
Nothing.
Negligible.
Yeah, it is. That I can say, because that was my first personal experience. Wow. Talking of, you know, face cups and all, because I read, you know, face cupping is nice. It just helps you stimulate the blood and, you know, the building of collagen and everything. Can you give me 3 instruments on the face, like quick instruments that can be easily bought and you can easily use them on the face?
So I love the LED eye massager.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the upgraded version of the Alia Bhatt tool, the 24K face massager.
Okay.
So the LED eye massager is my favorite. The face cupping or microcurrenting, I can't choose. So face cupping is the manual version, microcurrenting is the electric version of the tool.
okay.
Either or. I love face cupping. And third is a body tool that I really like for overall lymphatic drainage, which is dry brushing. Because we do so much for the face, but if you can incorporate dry brushing neck down all over your body, it has so many benefits. You know, पिलो फेस पफीनेस सिर्फ यहाँ पे नहीं होती, बॉडी
में भी होती है.
आपके पाँव सूजते हैं ना आफ्टर अ
फ्लाइट के बाद होता है मेरा.
फ्लाइट के बाद बिकॉज उस लिम्फेटिक स्टैग्नेशन होती है, सो दैट इज वेयर द एंटायर बॉडी गोज थ्रू अ डिटॉक्स विद इट.
क्विक क्वेश्चन, दिस इज फॉर मी, मेरा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है, ये ड्राई ब्रशिंग कब कर सकते हैं?
नहाने से पहले हफ्ते में 2-3 बार कर लो, बिल्कुल ऑन ड्राई स्किन, अपवर्ड्स, सर्कुलर ऑन योर चेस्ट, सर्कुलर ऑन योर स्टमक, बट upwards again, calf upwards, thigh upwards. It takes 3 minutes before your shower. Go in for your shower. After the shower, put any body lotion, oil, and you're good to go. In fact, जो इनग्रोन स्किन आ जाती है, केराटोसिस पिलारिस हो जाती है, स्किन पिगमेंटेड, डिस्कलर्ड हो जाती है, सब कुछ ठीक हो जाता है. एंड it's like butter when you touch your hands.
Really? I'll try that. I had like fancy brushes hanging in my bathroom का दरवाजा, वो कभी यूज ही नहीं की, वो लगे लगे उसमें फंगस, मैं हमेशा डिस्कार्ड कर देती हूँ. But I liked this idea of brushing. But yes, again,
reminder. You have to use
yes,
it. Discipline.
I'm gonna use it. You've been working on techniques and skincare products to assist conditions like rosacea, pigmentation, and aging. Which out of 3, अगर आप अपने मतलब एक्सपीरियंस में, या यू नो हाउ यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड और डेल्ट विद क्लाइंट्स, इन 3 चीज़ों में से सबसे एक कॉमन चीज़, और वो भी मतलब ऐसी है कि हर दूसरे बंदे को या हर दूसरी यू नो एवरी सेकंड वुमन इज फेसिंग, pigmentation.
Okay. Every second woman has a pigmentation issue. शायद you know younger years में enough sunscreen नहीं लगाया, शायद correct guidance नहीं हुई, कुछ लोगों ने कार्बन फेशियल ले लिया, गलत फेशियल ले लिया, उसके बाद उनकी स्किन डार्क हो गई, हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस, PCOD रिलेटेड इश्यूज, लाइक देयर आर मल्टीपल रीजंस जिसकी वजह से पिगमेंटेशन सर्फेस होता है. बट दैट इज वन इशू दैट आई सी इज वेरी कॉमन, एंड आई विल एक्चुअली टेक ग्रेट प्राइड in saying that you know they've gone pillar to post, इतने सारे जगह गए हैं, उनको पिगमेंटेशन रिडक्शन नहीं हुई, पर हमारे साथ they have seen pigmentation reduction, जहाँ पे वो सामने से मुझे अपनी before and after photos खुशी खुशी भेजते हैं. So yeah, that is a issue that I see very, very commonly.
Wonderful. Of course, apart from the boss lady, the entrepreneur that you are, I've read that you love traveling, you love dancing, you've aced yourself in Bharatnatyam, and you're a super mom. How is the life as a mother and an entrepreneur, and the balancing act that you do?
I think it's the drive, the passion that keeps me going relentlessly. Otherwise, I have my lows, I get tired, but वही है, रोज सुबह जब you see some positive message, somebody send you something good, that how you have helped, and a lot of discipline. So if I have to wake up and work out every day for my mental sanity, I will. If after working out, you know, phases होते हैं, 6 महीने मुझे जिम जाना है, 6 महीने मुझे सिर्फ योगा करनी है, सिर्फ सूर्य नमस्कार करने हैं 108. So depending on what phase mentally I am in, I will.
I call them seasons in my life. So this season is happening with my face yoga and sudden, sudden realization that, अब मुझे after pregnancy, I really don't want that, अब तो ये pregnant होगी, 2 बच्चों की माँ लगती है. By the way, you look like a Santoor mom. So you've really worked hard and it shows on your face. So I am on that season in my life where I want the non-invasive thing, क्योंकि मुझसे pricks और injections लिए नहीं जाते. Thank God, thanks to my surgeon and my gynec with the whole pregnancy part done. अब उससे आगे मुझे injections touch wood लेने नहीं है. तो इसीलिए ये मेरा सीजन चला है जहाँ पर आई कैन एक्सप्लोर नॉन इन्वेजिव वेज ऑफ नाउ गेटिंग बैक टू माई फ्रेशर लुक, माई यंगर सेल्फ. एंड एज यू राइटली सेड, बायोलॉजिकली हम कितना भी एज, क्रोनोलॉजिकली हम कितना भी एज कर जाए, बायोलॉजिकल एज जो है वो एकदम फैंटास्टिक रहनी चाहिए. वो बिल्कुल हमारा जवानी वाला जो ग्लो है वो तो हमें अब तक ही चाहिए. सो अबाउट योर सन एंड हिज बीइंग द इंस्पिरेशन इन योर लाइफ, how has that molded House of Beauty?
So as I said, I want to launch a teen line very, very soon.
Wow.
Because पहले तो मैं उसके पीछे पीछे भागती थी, प्लीज क्रीम लगा लो, बॉडी लोशन लगा लो. अब वो खुद मेरे पास आते हैं, मम्मा कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी अ फेशियल, कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी अ फेस मसाज. I said,
The right inspiration that he's following.
And this summer, when they look at working moms, last summer, he told me, Mama, I told him, beta, his name is Granth. I said, Granth, do a summer project, do something entrepreneurial. When they see parents work so hard, right, it comes naturally. And today is the age where they do everything, they flourish. Yeah. So his project was, Mama, I want to launch a kids line called अपने आप.
कितने साल का है?
9 साल का है. अपने आप वो उसने एक पेपर पे पेन के साथ ड्रॉ किया. He named it Brand of the Earth. He made the color scheme, primary colors उसको पता थे, blue, red, yellow, उसने बना दिया. And with a touch of green.
Amazing.
This is my range, Mama. I want to launch it.
Amazing.
I was like, wow. If this is what I can instill, yes, there is mommy guilt. You're traveling, you're working. I would like to give him more time, जो मैं शायद नहीं दे पाती. But कहीं ना कहीं he is seeing his mother, his father work so hard that वो उसके अंदर innate आ रहा है. And that's where he's been very, very inspirational for me.
Wow. Absolutely. I mean, this is inspiration. And I think I strongly resonate with this idea of, if we as mothers, we can be disciplined enough, we can chase our dreams, we can work, yet balance our personal lives. I think that is the best gift that we can give to our children. And of course, you spoke about the teen line of skincare that you are going to introduce. My daughters are just 19 months. They understand, Mama Kim, bahar nikale, Mama Kim, Mama Lipi. So they are so observant.
Yeah.
Very observant. Aur unki, I think our kids have some heightened awareness.
Yeah.
And what we are actually doing, we are modeling it for them.
Yeah.
तो बच्चे सीखने से नहीं सीखते हैं, वो देखने से सीखते हैं. तो वो देख रहे हैं कि what mothers are doing, how is the world evolving. And I'm so very glad, actually I'm very proud that we are able to now give our kids the holistic vision. Because I come from a background, I come from a village background. मेरे लिए going back to roots is everything. मेरे को आप मतलब मैं कोई भी ऊंचाई छू लूँ, मुझे back to roots बहुत पसंद है. And I believe that wisdom is in the roots.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for sharing that wisdom, for sharing your own personal experience, because that's what each and every age group, each and every person, I'm not saying gender specific, everyone needs it. Because as we say that, beauty is inside out. Even, the motto for your brand is glowing from
Inside
within,
out, yeah.
glowing inside out. Do you believe that if my internal self, this temple of mine, is happy, it just reflects on the face.
100%. So again, I will circle back to the whole working for yourself, being happy, being a mom, a wife, a entrepreneur, a daughter, a daughter-in-law, all of that. If that 360-degree role, first of all, gives me happiness, my own auto-healing, self-healing response will be better. My skin will not, I may look tired, but it will not look dull because there is that radiance, there is that satisfaction, there is that content that is coming. And what is yoga? Yoga is balance. Yoga
Correct.
is union of that balance.
Mind and body.
Mind, body, and soul,
Yeah.
yeah? So that is your start to feel it intrinsically. Then come your healthy food habits, which is at an organ or a gut level. Then come how you look, because it's going to give me the confidence. And as you rightly said, I have lived in Mumbai. I have lived now for 13 years in Delhi. I have lived in Dubai for about 12 years. I have lived in UK for about 3 years. When you live in so many different parts of the world and you're exposed to knowledge, to products, to technologies all across, you realize जो इंडिया में, जो वेदास में, जो हमारे
It's unbeatable.
आयुर्वेदा में लिखा था, रूट्स में लिखा था, this is not a patch on it. And that is where the understanding, that is where the putting it together. And I also feel like, the modern Indian woman is the biggest advocate of promoting the roots. Because कहीं ना कहीं आप क्या बोलते हो, आपकी क्या एजुकेशन है, आप कैसे दिखते हो, मैटर करता है.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And when you have all of that, then who better a brand ambassador to actually go and talk about it and bring what is rightly ours back to India?
Correct. किसी ने बताया नहीं था, जो हम बाहर ढूंढ रहे थे वो हमारे देश में खुद था. Very well said. Very well said, Vibhuti. And I'm in true tandem with what you've said, because I strongly believe this. ये मेरी आइडियोलॉजी है, बात ख़त्म. और मैं तो बहुत सिंपल उससे बोलती हूँ, हमारे तो घर में किचन में आपको हर इंग्रेडिएंट मिलेगा which will work from within and which can work on your skin also, and it can do wonders. But again, I would say thank you so much for bringing in so much of light, because beauty is something that I think everyone on this planet associates with this word beauty.
Yeah.
From all across the country to all across the race to everyone that we can speak. Even here, if I have like 15 people, they will have a point of view on beauty for themselves and for the others.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. Towards the end of the conversation with guests, we do a typical segment, but आपके लिए मैंने एक special segment curate किया, because I want to extract as much as I can for my audience, because बहुत rare ऐसा मौका मिलता है जहाँ पर हम किसी expert से या a person like you who educates on this subject, बहुत कम हमें मौका मिलता है, तो जितना हो सकता है हम सब निकाल लेते हैं.
Done.
So this is my 30-second ritual. I will ask you a question or a ritual and just let me know कि within 30 seconds या less than a minute में how can I achieve that. One point on the face or one feature on the face that can instantly be lifted within 30 seconds of a massage or a pressure.
Your cheeks.
Instant lift.
Instant lift.
Okay.
Take some face oil, bend your fingers like this, hold the fish face, lift, sculpt, twist. 20 times is 30
Wonderful.
seconds. You'll see the cut, you'll see the lift, you'll see the difference in the chisel instantly on your face.
Thank you. Wow. I'm going to watch this again and do it again. One ingredient in the kitchen consumed daily can brighten the skin.
Ghee. Eat it, apply it, put
I'm
it on
a
your
ghee
hair.
ambassador. I love ghee.
Me too.
मेरी तो दादी, and I have seen my दादी की जो सास भी थी, अब तो of course नहीं रही यार, वो घी, लस्सी से बाल धोते थे, घी चेहरे पर लगाते थे. हमारी मसाज, मतलब मेरी बेटियों की भी जो मसाज अभी तक हुई है साल भर तक, वो हमारे घर के घी से ही हुई है.
Nice.
और स्किन में आप फ़र्क देखेंगे या फिर हमारी स्किन इलास्टिसिटी देखेंगे. मुझे सब बोलते हैं यार पहाड़ नहीं हो लकी. मैं कहता नहीं, आई थिंक इट्स द वे फूड वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस टू अस, maybe in back in the mountains. I think it's that has really worked on us. So yes, ghee is my favorite. Okay, one must have ritual, yeah, must do practice for the following age groups: Age 15 to 25.
Pranayam.
Wonderful. Age 25 to 35.
Kansa. Going back to the roots, put this. आपके एक्ने, आपके पिगमेंटेशन, आपकी एजिंग इश्यूज बहुत शुरू होने लग जाते हैं. 30 seconds of this.
Oh, wow.
And 30 seconds on your scalp, your feet, your hands. It is the best detox tool for your face, hair, liver, organs, all of it. Please use a Kansa 25 to 35.
Wow. Okay, you said ना हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी की वेबसाइट पे इन सबका वो है,
हाँ जी.
डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है ना.
हाँ जी.
Perfect. Age 35 to 55.
35 to 55 face yoga.
Okay.
Start whipping your face, start all of those sculpting exercises, and you can start using face cups.
I have these ones.
These are
Very cute ones.
Nice.
मैंने कहा कलर भी बहुत सुंदर है इसका.
Thank you. I think face cupping is this is the perfect age. You should include face cupping. आपकी naturally lift हो जाएगी. This is where maximum collagen loss happens, so that will also reduce, and fine lines भी नहीं आएंगी.
Oh, wonderful. One habit that ages you faster.
Having tea or coffee on an empty stomach in the
On
morning.
an empty stomach.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you can lace up the coffees with water. आगे पीछे.
Or before that, have 5 badam or 2 black raisins soaked overnight, or a ghee and garam pani, and then have your tea and coffee.
Perfect. One non-negotiable ritual in our journey to glowing skin.
1 minute vibhuti massage. Has to be included, come what may.
Fantastic, fantastic. I mean, that was full of information. My last segment is you and me. I want to know in your bag one product that you swear by and you take it everywhere.
This one. This was not in my face toolkit, but actually my purse. Whether it is airplanes or home or pre-shoot. कहीं भी. And the best part is इसके साथ तेल, स्किन केयर, किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत
खाली यही.
ये वाइब्रेट करता है, ये माइक्रो करंट करता है, एंड ये टच पे आप स्किन पे लगाओ, अपने आप ऑन हो जाएगा. इस पे कोई बटन नहीं है.
Nice. Lovely. So this is to stimulate.
So, dark circles, thaki hui aankhein, it's called the LED eye massager with red light.
LED eye massage. Okay.
Smile lines, cracked foundation, BB cream, skin.
Foundation भी होगा?
Foundation भी उसको भी ठीक कर देगा, because ये evenly spread out करने लग जाता है ना.
This is revolutionizing. Wow.
And neck, tired neck है, जो भी है, ये आप कहीं पे भी कभी भी use कर सकते हैं. In fact, हाथों पे भी use कर सकते हैं, because hands age as well.
एंड आई थिंक दे एज फास्टर क्योंकि हम हाथों का इतना ध्यान नहीं रखते.
करेक्ट.
वो जल्दी से वो ड्राइनेस हो जाती है और रिंकल्स एक बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं.
हम एटलीस्ट 5-6 बार तो दिन में हाथ धोते ही हैं.
और हम मॉइस्चराइज नहीं करते. और
फेस को तो हम सिर्फ 2 बार धोते.
और ये तो अभी मुझे तो हाल फिलहाल पता चला है कि चेहरे के साथ गर्दन का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
बहुत जरूरी है.
बहुत हाल फिलहाल पता चला.
मैं तो हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आप इतने एक्सपेंसिव बैग, शूज, ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं, जब क्रीम लगाने की बारी आती है गर्दन पे हम कंजूस हो जाते हैं.
3-4 डॉट्स यहाँ पे लगा दो.
प्लीज खूब सारा इतना लगाओ कि सिर्फ नेक पे ना हो, थोड़ा आपके हाथों में बच जाए ऑटोमेटिकली एल्बोज पे एंड द बैक ऑफ योर हैंड्स. मतलब अब आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा. आपने क्रीम ली, 1 मिनट विभूति की, नेक पे लगाई, खूब सारी जो बच गई हाथों के पीछे, यहाँ पे आपका वो खत्म होगा. जब तक यहाँ तक वो ग्रीस नहीं पहुंचेगी, मतलब आपने सही क्वांटिटी क्रीम की नहीं ली है.
वाओ, थैंक यू विभूति. मतलब आज तो मैं वापस जाकर सब अपनी क्लिप्स रिपीट पे देखने वाली हूँ, और जो मेरे काम आने वाला है, आई एम गोना डू एवरीथिंग रिलीजियसली. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate the time of every guest, because your time is the most precious thing, and your way of sharing experience is like the world to us. So thank you so much. Me and my community is humbled and honored to have you here, and it was a great conversation. I'll see you with the next episode on Kisi Ne Bataya Nahi, The Beauty is Inside Out, and here we say keep glowing and keep growing. Thank you. I'll see you very soon. Mwah.